I am Gaurav Dakate and I am an option trainer in Concert. In this video, we will be discussing about shorts triangle. We will be looking the payoff. We will see the scenario analysis of the payoff. Moreover, we also see the option Greeks trade setup in the shorts triangle.
Now looking toward the short triangle, let's first understand the short meaning of short. The short means when you are selling an option or maybe a future contract or option contract. The short means you are selling it without owning it. So in the short triangle, you are selling call option as well as the put option. The options are usually out of the money strikes for the call and the put as well on the same stock or the index. So right now the fair price is at 13,400 and we are selling 13,500 out of the money call option and 13,300 put option. We are making a short triangle on Nifty. So short triangle, while making any short strategy, we are receiving the premium from it. So when you are making a short triangle, you are receiving premium from the call short and the put short. As we can see, from shorting a call option, we are receiving roughly 25 and put option around 35. So roughly we are getting 50 rupees from this short triangle. Now this 60 rupees is the only profit that we are going to have. That means in short triangle, your profit is only limited to the amount of premium you have received and your loss can be unlimited. So always remember, in a short triangle strategy, your profit is only limited to the amount of premium you have received and the losses can be unlimited. Looking further, if I go to the payoff chart to understand more about it, so as I can see, the white line is indicating my today's profit and loss. So if we are making a short triangle today and Nifty had a huge movement today itself, we are going to lose money in it. But if we are holding the same strategy till expiry, so I can see the payoff in the orange line and can see if the Nifty does not have any big move or just trading in the range of 13,320 to 370, that is the amount of premium which we are giving. So we are having the moment. So this is the amount. If the Nifty range between 13,321 to 13,471, we are having the maximum profit. Because in every short strategy, option seller are earning profit through time decay. As the time is passing by, your out of the money option is decreasing in value through theta. So always remember, while making any of the short strategy, you are earning, or the short seller or the writers are the making money through time decay. So let's look now what are the break-even point for this strategy. So the break-even comes somewhere at 13,560. From if the Nifty goes up, so if Nifty goes down, it's 13,240. So if you have noticed one thing, we are receiving 60 rupees from this strategy and our break even is also coming to the extent of positive 60 and negative 60. So I can say, if you are making in a short triangle, if Nifty goes up, your break even, that no profit and loss zones, will be somewhere at your call option plus the amount of premium you have received, that is around 13,560. And for the, if Nifty goes down, then it's 13,300 minus the amount of premium you have received, that is somewhere to 13,240. So with the help of this tool, you are making the strategy and looking forward what can be the profit and loss, what are the break even points. Now here I can see the profit and loss for the today and the expiry at the different level. I can see the market upper and lower bound, standard deviation, first level, second level, both. Now let's look further. Suppose you made a short triangle as per your view, but your view does not happen as you want. Now you want to analyze what are the different situations or different times when you are making money or losing out. So suppose you want to know how much your profit will be as the days are passing by, and the meanwhile there is no big movement in the underlying as in Nifty. So I say if the days to maturity increase to 2, that means on the expiry day. So you can see that your white line and the orange line both overlap. Why? Because white line are showing you the day's profit and loss, that particular day profit and loss, and the orange line was showing you the profit and loss and on expiry. So now I'm looking profit and loss on expiry. So I can see if I am holding this strategy till expiry, so I can see there the profit and loss accordingly. Now I can see if I am holding the out of the money option on the expiry day, it will be becoming 0, and the amount which I have received through selling an option will be my maximum profit. And if Nifty or the underlying stock or the index had a big move, then it can be a disastrous loss for the option seller. In the same way, let's decrease the days to 1. And now now let's take a point here. If you are making any short strategy, you should always be careful about the employed volatility. So if I say while making strategy, if there is not a big move but there is an increase in volatility, that will be very harmful. If I say as there is no movement in the underlying, so it will be benefit for the short strategy. But if I say there is a huge increase in the volatility, that time the option premium are going to rise, and that particular thing will make you in the loss. So let's look once. So when you are making a short triangle, you are assuming that volatility to be on the point there where it is or to decline, so it can be profitable for you. So if I say there is an increase in volatility, let's suppose by 18%. Now you might have seen the white line has declined towards the downside, means the increase in volatility will lead decline in the profit and loss. In the same way, if I say that IV has declined, let's say by 24%, now you can see the profit and loss. Now you can see the profit and loss has increased. I am again repeating the point. In the short strategy, decline in volatility is the only factor which is going to help you in the additional form. So always remember, making any short strategy, always go when volatility to decline, then there is no such big movement expected in the stock. So I hope you are clear with this triangle strategy. We have looked what is triangle, long triangle, short triangle. We have dived into the payoff chart, break-even point, understood the legs. Then we saw how you can utilize the option architect tool to make any strategy. Then most importantly, we have seen the scenario analysis where we can see how days are impacting the long and the short triangle. Moreover, how volatility can be very useful or it can be very disadvantageous for any of the long or the short triangle. That's all from the video. I hope you have liked it, and if you are liking it, please like and share, and please comment your views. Thank you.